Laser plasma acceleration could be a disruptive force for our industry. How an advancement from German researchers could harness this tech in a compact form factor. Pairing laser curing with powder coating, we've got the details of an industrial laser titan's latest partnership targeting cold oven curing. And how one global alliance is working to create a universal set of industry standards in silicon photonics. These stories and more on Photonics Spectra Now. Photonics Spectra Now is brought to you by Chroma Technology, high-performance optical filters for scientific, industrial, and aerospace industries. Visit chroma.com to learn more. And by LightPath Technologies, better glass, better optics, better imaging. Go to lightpath.com for more details. Hi, and welcome to Photonics Spectra Now, covering your top headlines in the world of photonics. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonics Spectra. Opening new paths in research, industry, and medical treatments, a German team is bringing laser plasma acceleration a step closer to real-world applications. The group from Desy has found a way to improve the quality of electron bunches accelerated by a laser plasma accelerator. Conventional electron accelerators use radio waves and are large and expensive. The LUX experiment from Desy could be a vital step towards creating a more compact alternative. Electrons accelerated by the LUX plasma accelerator are sent through a sort of obstacle course with deflecting magnets. This forced detour stretches the pulse and allows for them to be better sorted according to their energy. Another breakthrough from Harvard and Federico Capasso as researchers create a compact laser that emits mid-infrared picosecond light pulses. This particular wavelength has been achievable only in larger devices, but this group has made it accessible in a single chip. Using such a compact form to make an optical frequency comb, a spectrum of light with equally spaced frequency lines, this device could be used to create highly sensitive, broad-spectrum gas sensors or new types of spectroscopy tools for medical imaging. IPG announced that it's partnering with coatings developer AkzoNobel. The pairing focuses on bringing together powder coating with IPG's laser technology. AkzoNobel's Interpon powder coating will use laser curing solutions from IPG to offer a faster, more efficient alternative to other curing methods. These lasers can selectively heat the applied powder in what's called a cold oven, where no heat escapes onto the factory floor and no energy is wasted in heating other areas. STMicroelectronics is reshaping its global manufacturing footprint. The semiconductor company says the measure will shore up R&D, design, and high-volume assets for development in Europe. Utilizing AI and automation, they hope to increase efficiency on the production of 300mm silicon and 200mm silicon carbide wafers. Execs also say they will focus on strategic investments through 2027. And the Semi-Silicon Photonics Industry Alliance is launching 3 new special interest groups. These groups will work to integrate expertise from various sectors to create a set of industry standards that could provide a fast track to innovation and commercialization. One group will be designated to cover future trends, design, manufacturing, and integration of silicon photonic chips. Another group will focus on heterogeneous integration and co-packaged testing technology. And the third group will be dedicated to developing key tech needed for the silicon photonic industry for automation, assembly, and inspection. Launched just last year, the Semi-Silicon Photonics Industry Alliance serves to connect companies working in silicon photonics. While it was formed in Taiwan, more than 100 companies spanning several nations are members of the alliance. Have news you'd like to share or suggestions for our team? You can send any story tips, questions, or comments to video@photonics.com. Give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all the latest videos from Photonics Media, and be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Remember, you can always find more details on these stories and everything else happening in the industry by going to photonics.com. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.